Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make a FAQ schema markup for your website to get organic traffic from Google and AI model. For example, here is a keyword which have this following. Now I will search this keyword on Google. Now you can see that here is the AI model by Google, and there are too many websites which are getting the traffic from this AI overview model. For example, first of all, we will analyze this website. First of all, I will check the traffic of this website. Is getting good traffic. Now I will check the schema markup on this website. First of all, right click and view page source. Now I will find the schemas which is implement on this page. Now you can see that here is the FAQ schema which is to this page. Now I will copy this URL and go to the rich result test and paste the URL here. You can see that these are the schemas which are used by this website. First of all, the article schema, FAQ schema, local business schema, organization, and the review schema. It is the FAQ schema. Now I will implement this schema on our website and we will learn how we can make this schema for our website. For this purpose, we will go to this website. The name of the website is the schemagenerator.tool, and now select the FAQPage. Here is the schema generator tool, and we can generate the FAQ schema with the help of this tool. For example, I have a post on my website which contains the FAQ. We will copy this FAQ, share, now answer, share. The schema code is generated. Now I will check it. Copy and test. I will paste the code here and test code. According to this tool, you can see that there is no error. Now I will use this schema on my website. Edit post. Just HTML and paste here. Now my post is ready, which contains the FAQ schema code. Now I will check it. Here you can see that FAQ schema is implemented. Thanks for watching.